you know, so much involved when you're filming, and I was talking with the co-star about the recruitment scene, how you guys worked for 45 minutes to find out.
With Sappy, who plays Lauren? Yeah.
She's really incredible.
Yeah, she is.
Can you tell me about some other scenes, maybe with Paul, where you guys get on set and you just find something beautiful in the moment, and it evolves in a new direction?
Yeah, of course. I mean, I think, you know, you mentioned Paul. I felt like I learned from everyone I'm in the show with. I really mean that truly. But you know, the amazing thing about Paul is he's not vain in the way he acts, and he plays a character with a sort of corrupted soul, and he goes to a place that I think a lot of actors wouldn't be comfortable to go to, and that for me was very exciting to witness, and it was very exciting to share scenes with him. I was constantly surprised and at times horrified by the choices he made with Dennis's incredible dialogue, and I felt very inspired and very creatively rewarded by this whole thing. It's just been an awesome experience for me, and the show is absolutely one of the best things I've ever been a part of. I really believe it.
Welcome to FabTV. Look at Hollywood's latest. See all the red carpets dressed to a T. Yeah, you know me. It's all free.